Emily wakes up with the soft chime of her alarm. She stretches and takes a deep breath, savoring the peaceful start to her day.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Emily says aloud, practicing her present simple tense. Emily prepares her breakfast.
I eat cereal and drink coffee every morning.
She narrates, emphasizing the habitual action. As she sips her coffee, Emily reads the newspaper, glancing occasionally at the clock. Emily gets ready to leave for work.
I walk to the bus stop and catch the bus to the office.
She explains, slipping into her coat. The bus ride is smooth, and Emily enjoys the city's morning energy as it unfolds outside the window. Emily arrives at her office.
I check my emails and attend meetings.
She continues, detailing her daily tasks. Her colleagues greet her as she settles into her routine, feeling accomplished with each task completed. Emily returns home.
I cook dinner and watch a movie.
She describes, unwinding from her day. The aroma of her meal fills the house, and Emily smiles, feeling content and relaxed. Emily prepares for bed.
I read a book and go to sleep.
She concludes her day, embracing the calm that night brings. As she drifts off to sleep, Emily reflects on her day, grateful for the simple routines that bring her joy.